Hey everyone, Craig here, Assistant General Counsel at Trust & Will and a probate and estate planning attorney for more than 25 years. Today I'm breaking down one of the biggest estate planning questions we get. What's the difference between a trust and a will? And which one is right for you? What estate planning really means. Estate planning isn't just about what happens after you pass away. It's about protecting your loved ones and making sure your wishes are honored even if you ever become unable to make decisions yourself. When you start your estate plan, you'll likely ask, do I need a will or a trust or both? Let's clear that up. A will is the most common estate planning document. It's your written instructions for what should happen after you pass. You can name guardians for your kids or pets, decide who inherits your property, and outline your final wishes. But keep in mind, a will only takes effect after you pass away, and it usually goes through probate court, which can take time and money. A trust, on the other hand, is a legal entity that holds your assets while you're alive and distributes them according to your rules. It can go into effect as soon as you set it up, giving you more control and flexibility, including how and when your assets are shared. You can even add specific conditions like leaving funds for education or setting age limits for inheritances. There are many types of trusts, and they can also help you avoid probate and reduce taxes, depending on your situation. Here's the quick comparison. Wills are simple, affordable, and essential, but they only take effect after you pass away and must go through probate. Trusts are more complex and cost a bit more to create, but they can protect you during your lifetime, skip probate entirely, and keep your affairs private. So while a will covers the basics, a trust offers protection and control. Which one do you need? Which is better, a will or a trust? The truth is, one isn't better than the other. In fact, many people use both together to get full coverage. Everyone should at least have a will. It's your foundation. Then if you want more structure or have more complex estate, adding a trust is a smart move. Ask yourself these questions. Do I want my estate plan to take effect right away? How large or complicated is my estate? Do I want to control exactly how and when my assets are distributed? Am I looking to avoid probate or minimize taxes? If your answers lean yes, a trust could be worth adding. How wills and trusts work together. One way to combine them is with what's called a pour-over will. This special type of will works hand in hand with your trust. It helps with transferring any assets you forgot to place in the trust during your life. That way, nothing slips through the cracks. And don't forget about a living will, which is totally different. It's a medical directive that states your healthcare wishes if you ever become incapacitated. Including one in your estate plan ensures your medical choices are honored no matter what happens. So what's the bottom line? Both wills and trusts are powerful tools that help you take control of your future and protect your loved ones. If your situation is simple, a will may be enough. If you want more flexibility and protection, a trust or a trust plus a pour-over will can give you peace of mind. If you're tired of waiting for peace of mind, today's the day to create your estate plan. Plus, you can do it from the comfort of your home with Trust & Will. Just head to trustandwill.com to learn more about creating your easy digital trust or will. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more estate planning tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Trust and Will.